Hello everyone! Today I will prepare a dish that bachelor loves. Plus, with a bonus, I will show you how to make an excellent snack for beer visit. So, let's do it! As a rule, bachelors in Russia just buy dumplings in the supermarket when they want to eat. They just take them out of the freezer and cook. But we will go ahead and make dumplings ourselves. Moreover, homemade dumplings are much tastier. Let's start with the dough. In the original recipe for dumplings, the dough is made in water, but your dough will be dry quickly and crack during modeling. So that this doesn't happen, make the dough and the yolks. We take 3 eggs and 7 yolks, 50 ml of vegetable or olive oil and half a kilograms of flour. Knead and let it brew. Next, take 300 grams of minced turkey or chicken plus 300 grams of minced beef and 300 grams of grated onion. If you don't like onion, then just add water. The meat can be absolutely any, even marbled Wagyu beef. Next, roll out. The thickness should be about the size of a credit card. We take our thing and do it like this. Advice: if you don't have such thing or special equipment for rolling the dough, then either buy it or make khinkali. Otherwise, you will waste a lot of time. If you want my khinkali recipe, like it and write about it in the comments. If at least 1000 likes, I will shoot a video about it. Now you can put them in the freezer for half a year or cook them. Well, I think you don't need to teach anyone to cook dumplings. We put water on the stove. There is a life hack so that the water boils faster. You need to salt it and cover it with a lid. Then bay leaf paper 8 or 10 minutes. Wait until the dumplings float up for a couple of minutes. Like this video, it will greatly motivate me to make new video. And if you subscribe to my channel, then maybe someday I will be able to quit my job, which I don't like, and will work on YouTube for you. Finish! Delicious homemade Russian dumplings are ready. Delicious dumplings with delicious dough and meat, which contains a lot of tasty meat, and you are sure that it's homemade minced meat, differ from the supermarket. Now the sauce: half mayonnaise, half ketchup, some mustard to taste, garlic, pepper. Delicious sauce is ready. But it's just delicious dumplings. Now I will show you how to make an amazing tasty snack from these same dumplings, which is ideal for watching a movie or drinking beer with a pleasant conversation with your friends. To begin with, everything is the same as we did before. We threw the dumplings into the water and cook them until half done. As soon as someone surfaced, we immediately get them out of the water. Next, we threw in deep fat if you don't want to waste a lot of oil. You can simply fry them in a pan. Then we spread it on paper towels so that the excess fat is absorbed. It's important to understand that if you try not to cook dumplings, but immediately throw them in deep fat, then they will be dry and not so tasty. Verified by me personally, this is such magic. If urgently dumplings were just delicious. Then this dish with sauce is just another level. Definitely worth a try. Crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. It's necessary to eat like me. You take our favorite cold draft beer, I'll take Irish Ale, Shamrock, slightly bittersweet sparkling drink, 8 degrees. It's made in Tomsk. What's a fortune? What's I'm right here. Pour into a glass. We take a couple of sips. Next, take a dumplings, dunk in sauce, chew and wash it down. Here and here you can help me and watch my video about Russian carbonara pasta and porridge from an axe. Like this video. It will be greatly motivated me make new video. And remember, everything can cook.